TSM Set 2022 Most Expected Questions and Solutions. This is the first question. If x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus c is equal to 0 represents a circle of radius phi, then c is equal to dash. Here circle equation is given. Now find the radius of the circle. First, center of the circle, center is equal to, this is minus g comma minus f. This is the formula. So dividing by x coefficient minus 2, that is 2, and y coefficient, that is 6 by minus 2, this is minus 3. And radius is given, that radius r is equal to 5. Squaring on both sides, r square is equal to 25. R square means g square plus f square minus c is equal to 25. That is, g square is minus 2 whole square, this is 4, plus f square 3 whole square 9, minus c is equal to 25. So 13 minus c is equal to 25. From this, c is equal to minus 12. This is the value of c. If capital A 1 comma 2 comma capital B 4 comma 5, then the equation of the circle having AB bar as diameter. Here A vertex is A given, that is capital A x1 y1 and capital B x2 y2. So the equation of the circle having AB bar as a diameter. So equation of the circle is, that is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. So substituting x1 y1 and x2 y2 values in this equation, that is x minus 1 into x minus 4 plus y minus 2 into y minus 5 is equal to 0. So multiplying these two, that is x square minus x minus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 2y minus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0. From this, x square plus y square minus 5x minus 7y plus 14 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle having AB bar as diameter. The normal to the circle given by x square plus y square minus 6x plus 8y minus 144 is equal to 0 at 8 comma 8 meets the circle again at the point. Here normal line is given, that normal line always passes through the center of the circle. This is the center of the circle. One end point is given, that is 8 comma 8 taken as A. This is the other end point B. This is taken as x comma y. Here AB midpoint is equal to center. AB midpoint is equal to center, that is midpoint is 8 plus x by 2 comma 8 plus y by 2 is equal to center of that circle is 3 comma minus 4. So from this, 8 plus x by 2 is equal to 3. So 8 plus x is equal to 6, x is equal to minus 2, and 8 plus y by 2 is equal to minus 4. So 8 plus y is equal to minus 8, y is equal to minus 16. Therefore, the normal line meets the circle again at the point is minus 2 comma minus 16. This is the other end point of the normal line. The sum of maximum and minimum distances of the point 4 comma minus 3 to the circle x square plus y square plus 4x minus 10y minus 7 is equal to 0. We know that maximum distance, that is maximum distance is equal to, this is also called the longest distance, that is Cp minus r. So minimum distance is equal to shortest distance or minimum distance. Minimum distance is equal to Cp. This is maximum distance is Cp plus r, minimum distance is Cp minus r. Sum of these two distances, add these two equations, that is 2 into Cp plus r minus r cancel. Here C is the center of the circle, that is minus 2 comma 5, and the point P is given, that is 4 comma minus 3. Now we find the distance between these 2 points. 2 into Cp means under root of 4 plus 2 whole square plus minus 3 minus 5 whole square. So that is equal to 2 into root of 4 plus 2, 6 square, this is 36, minus 5 minus 3, this is 8 square, that is 64. That is 2 into under root of 36 plus 64 is 100, that is 2 into 10 is equal to 20. This is the sum of the distances of maximum and minimum distance. Remember this formula, this is maximum distance or longest distance. This is longest distance, formula for longest distance. And Cp minus R is minimum distance or lowest distance, or is nearest distance, nearest. The radius of the circle touching the lines 3x minus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0 and 6x minus 8y minus 9 is equal to 0 is, this is the circle. This circle touches the lines. This is the first line, 3x minus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. And this is the second line. This is 6x minus 8y minus 9 is equal to 0. Radius of the circle means the distance from center to this line. And this is the center of the circle. This is the radius R, this is the radius R. So here 2R is equal to, these two lines are parallel lines, so distance between parallel lines is, that is C1 minus C2 by under root of A square plus B square. Here given first line is 3x minus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. Multiplying by 2 this equation as, that is 6x minus 8y plus 10 is equal to 0. This is the first line, and the second line is, that is 6x minus 8y minus 9 is equal to 0. So therefore 2r is equal to C1, that is 10 minus of C2 minus 9 by under root of A square, that is 6 square plus 8 square, that is 10 plus 9 19 by under root of 6 square 36 plus 8 square 64, this is 100, that is 19 by 10. Therefore radius of the circle R is equal to 19 by 20. This is the radius of the circle. The length of the tangent from 6 comma 8 to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4 is dash. So here length of the tangent, length of the tangent is equal to root S11. So substituting the given point in the given circle, that is x square 6 square plus y square, this is 8 square minus 4 under root of 36 plus 64 minus 4, that is equal to 100 minus 4 is 96. So 96 is written as, that is 16 into 6, that is equal to 4 root 6. This is the length of the tangent drawn from 6 comma 8 to the circle. So remember this formula for length of the tangent is root S11. The length of the intercept made by the circle x square plus y square minus 12x plus 14y plus 11 is equal to 0 on x-axis. So length of the intercept is equal to length of the intercept on x-axis is equal to 2 root g square minus c. Here center of the circle, center is, this is 6 comma minus 7, 6 comma minus 7. So minus g comma minus f is equal to 6 comma minus 7. So minus g is equal to 6, g is equal to minus 6, and c is given, that is c is equal to 11. So substituting in this formula, that is 2 into root over g square, that is minus 6 whole square, 36 minus 11. that is equal to 2 into root over 25, that is 2 into 5 is equal to 10. This is the length of the intercept on x-axis. And similarly, length of the intercept on y-axis formula is 2 root f square minus c. Remember this formula also. On y-axis, length of the intercept on y-axis is 2 root f square minus c. The length of the chord x plus 2y is equal to 5 of the circle x square plus y square is equal to 9 is dash. So length of the chord is equal to, this is length of the chord, is equal to 2 root r square minus d square. This is the formula. So now radius of the circle is given, that is radius is equal to r square is equal to 9, r is equal to 3, and d is equal to perpendicular distance from center to the line. Center of that circle is 0, 0. D is equal to, we know that the formula, that is ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root of a square plus b square, that is equal to, substituting 0, 0, that is 0 plus 2 into 0 minus 5 by under root of a square plus b square, 1 square plus 2 square, that is 5 by root 5. 5 by root 5 is equal to root 5. Now substituting, therefore length of the chord is equal to 2 root r square minus d square. R square is 9 minus d square is 5, that is 2 into root 4 is 2, that is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4. This is the length of the chord. The parametric equations of the circle x square plus y square plus 8x minus 6y is equal to 0 is dash. So parametric equations are x is equal to h plus r cos theta, comma y is equal to k plus r sin theta, So here h comma k means center of the circle, therefore h comma k is equal to, that center of the circle is minus 4 comma 3. And r is radius of the circle is, that is minus 4 whole square 16 plus 3 square 9 minus c value is 0, that is root 25 is equal to 5. Radius of the circle is 5. Substituting in this, that is x is equal to h minus 4 plus 5 cos theta, comma y is equal to 3 plus 5 sin theta. These are the parametric equations of the given circle. The point of contact of the circles x square plus y square plus 2x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0 is dash. First we find the point of contact, means that two circles are touch each other circles. So this is the point of contact. The point of contact P divides the C1 C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. So first we find the C1, that is C1 is minus 1 comma minus 1 and R1 is equal to under root of G square plus F square minus C, minus 1 whole square 1 plus 1 minus 1 root 1 is equal to 1. And C2, center of the second circle is, that is 1 comma minus 1 and R2 is equal to square root of 1 plus 1 minus 1, that is equal to 1. Here both the radius are equal, that means point of contact is the midpoint of C1 C2. So point of contact is equal to midpoint of C1 C2, because both the radius are equal, that is midpoint is minus 1 plus 1 by 2 comma minus 1 minus 1 by 2, that is 0 comma minus 1. This is the point of contact of given circles. If two circles x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to r square and x square plus y square minus 8x plus 2y plus 8 is equal to 0, intersecting in two distinct points, then that the two circles are intersecting at two distinct points. That means condition for intersecting two distinct points is modulus of R1 minus R2, which is less than C1 C2 less than R1 plus R2. So first we find the center of the circle C1, that is 1 comma 3, and R1 is equal to R, and C2 center of the second circle, that is 4 comma minus 1, and R2 is equal to 16 plus 1 minus 8, that is equal to root 9 is equal to 3. And find C1 C2 distance between the centers, that is 4 minus 1 whole square minus 1 minus 3 whole square. 4 minus 1 3 square is 9, minus 1 minus 3 16, that is root 25 is 5. Substituting on all these values in the given condition, modulus of R1 minus R2, that is R minus 3, which is less than 5 less than R1 plus R2, that is R plus 3. From first two equations, R minus 3 less than 5, that is R less than 8, and 5 less than R plus 3. From this 2 less than R, from these two equations 2 less than R less than 8. This is the condition for the two given circles intersecting at two distinct points. The number of common tangents to the circles x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0, and x square plus y square plus 6x plus 18y plus 26 is equal to 0 is dash. So first we find the center of the first circle C1, that is 2 comma 3. R1 is equal to square root of 4 plus 9 plus 12. This is root 25 is equal to 5. And the center of the second circle C2 is minus 3 comma minus 9. R2 is equal to under root of 9 plus 81 minus 26, that is root over 90 minus 26, this is 64. So this is equal to 8. Now we find the distance between the centers C1 C2 is equal to under root of 2 plus 3 whole square plus 3 plus 9 whole square. So that is equal to 2 plus 3, that is 5 square is 25, 9 plus 3 12. This is 144, that is equal to root 169 is equal to 13. And now I find R1 plus R2 is equal to, that is 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. Here C1 C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. That means the two circles touch each other. So number of common tangents is equal to, this is the first common tangent, and this is second common tangent, and this is the third common tangent. Therefore number of common tangents is equal to 3. The external center of similitude of two circles, that is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y minus plus 9 is equal to 0, and x square plus y square is equal to 9 is dash. The external center of similitude divides the centers in the ratio R1 is to R2 externally. So external center is the point of intersection of direct common tangents. This is the direct common tangents. The point of intersection of direct common tangents is called external center of similitude. This is the point A. First we find the center of a circle C1, that is 1 comma 3, and R1 is equal, this is 1 plus 9 minus 9 is equal to 1. And C2, that is 0 comma 0, and R2 is equal to 3. This C1 C2 divided by R1 divided by the R1 R2 in the ratio 1 is to 3 externally. That is external formula is, that is R1 x2 minus R2 x1 by R1 minus R2, R1 y2 minus R2 y1 by R1 minus R2, that is equal to R1 x2. R1 1 into x2 is 0 minus R2, that is 3 into 1 by 1 minus 3. R1 y2, this is 0 1 into 0 minus 3 into 3 by 1 minus 3, that is equal to minus 3 by minus 2 comma minus 9 by minus 2, that is equal to 3 by 2 comma 9 by 2. This is the internal center of similitude. The midpoint of the chord 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0 with respect to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 9. So midpoint of the chord, this is the circle, so this is the chord is given. So midpoint of the chord is M. This M is the foot of the perpendicular drawn from center to the chord. So now we find the foot of the perpendicular from center. So center of the circle is 0 comma 0. So given chord is 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. We know that the formula for foot is equal to x1 plus a lambda comma y1 plus b lambda. Here x1 y1 is 0 comma 0, that is a lambda comma b lambda. Now we find the value of lambda. Lambda is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square, that is minus of substituting center in the given line, that is 2 into 0 plus 0 minus 5 by a square, 2 square plus 1 square, that is 5 by 5 is equal to 1. Lambda value is 1. Now put midpoint of the chord is equal to, midpoint is equal to a lambda. A is 2 into 1 comma b lambda 1 into 1, that is equal to 2 comma 1. This is the midpoint of the chord, that is 2 comma 1. The power of the point minus 3 comma 7 with respect to a circle with center 3 comma 7 and radius 2 is. So here is asking power of a point. Power of a point is equal to S11, modulus of S1. This is the power of a point. Now a center is given, that is 3 comma 7 and radius r is equal to 2. Equation of the circle is, that is x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 7 whole square is equal to 2 square. This is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 14y plus 9 plus 49. This is 58 minus 4 is equal to 0. From this, x square plus y square minus 6x minus 14y plus 54 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle. Now we find the power of a point minus 3 comma 7. Substituting in this circle, that is minus 3 whole square, that is S11 is equal to minus 3 whole square plus 7 square minus 6 into minus 3 minus 14 into 7 plus 54. So that is equal to 9 plus 49, that is plus 18 minus, so this is 98 plus 54. So 9 plus 49, 58, 58 plus 18, 58 plus 54 plus 18, 8, 8, 16, 20. This is 130. 130 minus 20, 98. This is equal to 32. So that is power of a point is equal to 32. That is the required answer. The inverse point of 1 comma 3 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 9 is equal to 0 is. Here is the point P is given, that is 1 comma 3. Now we find the inverse point of 1 comma 3. So first find the polar of P. Polar of P with respect to the circle S is equal to 0 is. We know that polar equation is S1 is equal to 0. That is x into 1 plus y into 3 minus 2 into x plus 1 minus 3 into y plus 3 plus 9 is equal to 0. This is x plus 3y minus 2x minus 2 minus 3y minus 9 plus 9 is equal to 0. Here 9 9 cancel. X minus 2x minus x 3y cancel. This is minus 2 is equal to 0. From this, x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the polar equation. Now the polar of, this is the polar equation. Now the inverse point of P with respect to this polar line is foot of the perpendicular of P. So we know that foot of the perpendicular, that is q. Q is inverse point. Q is inverse point. That is q is equal to formula, that is x1 plus a lambda y1 plus b lambda. First we find lambda. So substituting in x plus 2, that is 1 plus 2 by root 1 square, that is equal to 3. Substituting in this, that is x1. x1 is 1 plus a, x coefficient 1, lambda is 3. And lambda is equal to, this is minus half, this is minus 3. So this is minus 3 comma y1 value is 3 plus b is 0 and lambda is minus 3, that is equal to 1 minus 3, this is minus 2 comma 3. This is the inverse point of P, 1 comma 3 with respect to the given circle, that is minus 2 comma 3. The equation of the circle touching the coordinate axis and the line 3x minus 4y is equal to 12. The circle touching the coordinate axis means center of the circle, that is center is equal to r comma r, and radius is equal to r, and also touches the line 3x minus 4y is equal to 12. Touches means r is equal to d, that means radius of the circle is r, d is perpendicular distance from center to that line, that is 3r minus 4r minus 12 by under root of 3 square plus 4 square is 5. From this 5r is equal to plus r minus r minus 12. So take plus, that is 5r plus r, 5r is equal to, this is minus r minus 12, and 5r is equal to r plus 12. From this 6r is equal to minus 12, r is equal to minus 2. And this is 4r is equal to 12, r is equal to 3. Therefore, center of the circle is r comma r, 3 comma 3, and center of the circle is minus 2 comma 2, and radius r is equal to, given that is 3. Radius r is equal to 3 comma minus 2. Now we take center as 3 comma 3 and radius r is 3, that is x minus equation of the circle, x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 3 square, r, and the center is minus 2 comma 2 and radius is minus 2, that is x plus 2 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square is equal to minus 2 whole square is equal to 4. These are the equations of the circle touching the coordinate axis and the given line. If two circles of same radius small r and centers 2 comma 3 5 comma 6 cut orthogonally, then small r is equal to, that means two circles cut orthogonally, that is orthogonally means d square is equal to r1 square plus r2 square. This is the formula. Here d is the center of the distance between the centers, that is d square is equal to, this is 5 minus 2 whole square plus 6 minus 3 whole square, that is 5 minus 2, that is 3 square plus 3 square, 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. And given two circles are same radius, that is r1 is equal to r2 is equal to small r is given, that is substituting in this, that is d square 18 is equal to r square plus r square. So 2r square is equal to 18. So r square is equal to 9. R is equal to 3. This is the radius of the circle. The radical axis of the circles x square plus y square plus 3x plus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0, and x square plus y square minus 5x plus 5y plus 6 is equal to 0 is. So here we are finding radical axis. Radical axis, equation of radical axis is s minus s dash is equal to 0. That means subtracting the circles. So first circle equation is x square plus y square plus 3x plus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. And second circle equation x square plus y square minus 5x plus 5y plus 6 is equal to 0. Subtracting these two, minus minus, this is plus, minus minus, x square cancel and y square cancel, 3x plus 5x, this is 8x, 4y minus 5y. This is minus y. Minus 5 minus 6, that is minus 11 is equal to 0. This is the equation of radical axis. The radical center of the circles x square plus y square minus x plus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0, and x square plus y square plus 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0 is dash. So radical center lies on the radical axis. Now we'll find the radical axis of first two circles. That is, radical axis equation is s minus s dash is equal to 0. That is, first circle x square plus y square minus x plus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0. And second circle x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. Subtracting these two, minus minus plus minus minus. X square cancel, y square cancel. Minus x plus 2x. This is x 3y minus 2y. This is minus plus y minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 is equal to 0. This is the radical axis. Now radical center lies on this line. So substituting the first option in this equation, that is 2 comma 3. Substituting in this, that is 2 plus 3 minus 5, that is 0. Satisfying this equation, so radical center is 2 comma 3, that is the answer. Second, third, fourth are not satisfied, so these are not the answers. So radical center is equal to 2 comma 3. The angle between the circles x square plus y square plus 4x minus 14y plus 28 is equal to 0, and x square plus y square minus 12x minus 6y minus 4 is equal to 0 is dash. We know that angle between the circles cos theta is equal to, this is d square minus r1 square minus r2 square by 2 r1 r2. This is the formula for angle between the circles. So first find the center of the circle C1, that is minus 2 comma 7, and r1 is equal to under root of 4 plus 49 minus 28. So 49 minus 28, this is 21. 21 plus 4 root 25, this is 5. And C2, center of the second circle, this is 6 comma 3, and R2 is equal to under root of 36 plus 9 plus 4. This is root 36 plus 4, 40, 49, this is 7. And D, distance between the centers, so C1, C2 is equal to under root of 6 plus 2 whole square plus 3 minus 7 whole square. That is 6 plus 3, 6 plus 2, that is 8 square is 64 plus 3 minus 7, 4 square is 16, that is 60, 70, root 80. This is the distance between the centers. Now cos theta is equal to d square, this is 80 minus r1 square, 25 minus r2 square, this is 49 by 2 r1 r2, 2 into 5 into 7, 2 into 5 into 7, that is, so 80, this is 80 minus 40, 60, 69, this is 74 by 2 into 5, 10, 10 into 7, 70. So that is equal to 80 minus 74, this is 6 by 72 cancelled, 3 2s are 35 2s are, therefore cos theta is equal to 3 by 35, theta is equal to cos inverse 3 by 35. This is the formula for angle between the circles, that is cos theta is equal to d square minus r1 square minus r2 square by 2 r1 r2. The equation of the parabola having focus 1 comma 0 and directrix x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0 is. So we know that the definition of the parabola, that is SP is equal to PM, where Px comma y be any point on the parabola. So squaring on both sides, SP square is equal to PM square. SP square means distance between focus and the point P, that is x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to PM square, perpendicular distance from point P x comma y to this line, that is x plus 2y minus 1 by root over 1 square plus 2 square whole square. So x minus 1 whole square, this is x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square is equal. This is x plus 2y minus 1 whole square. This is a plus b minus c whole square. This is x square plus 4y square plus 1 minus 4xy minus 2x minus 4y by root over 1 square plus 2 square, root 5 square, that is 5. Take cross multiplication, that is 5x square minus 10x plus 5 plus 5y square, that is equal to x square plus 4y square plus 1 minus 4xy. This is plus 4xy. So plus 4xy minus 2x minus 4y. So here is 5x square, x square, 1x square cancelled. This is 4x square and 5y square minus 4y square. This is y square, and take 4xy this side, that is minus 4xy minus 10x minus 2x, take this side, that is minus 8x plus 4y, and 5 minus 1, this is plus 4 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the parabola having focus and directrix. The length of the lattice rectum of the parabola. So length of the lattice rectum LLR is equal to modulus of coefficient of x by coefficient of y square. This is the formula for LLR, length of the lattice rectum. So coefficient of x, that is coefficient of x is 8 and coefficient of y square is 1. 8 by 1 is equal to 8. This is the answer. The vertex of the parabola x square plus 12x minus 9y is equal to 0. So now I go with the shortcut for this problem. So now I take partial differentiation with respect to x. So take the x terms only, that is x square plus 12x is equal to 0. Take partial differentiation with respect to x, that is 2x plus 12 is equal to 0. From this x is equal to minus 6. Substituting x is equal to minus 6 in the given equation, that is minus 6 whole square plus 12 into minus 6 minus 9y is equal to 0. This is 36 minus 12 into 6, this is minus 72 minus is equal to 9y. So this is minus 36 is equal to 9y, y is equal to minus 4. Therefore vertex is equal to minus 6 comma minus 4. Axis of the parabola x square minus 3y minus 6x plus 6 is equal to 0 is dash. Here is given parabola is x square minus 3y minus 6x plus 6 is equal to 0. Axis means, so shortcut method, this is take partial differentiation with respect to x. Constant terms and y terms treated as constant. So remove the terms and x square derivative is 2x minus 6x derivation is minus 6 is equal to 0. Take 2 common, x minus 3 is equal to 0. This is x minus 3 is equal to 0 is called equation of axis of the given parabola. An ellipse with eccentricity E is equal to 1 by 2 and focus S at 0 comma 0 and corresponding directrix is x plus 6 is equal to 0. Then the equation of the ellipse is, we know that for the ellipse SP is equal to EPM. This is the definition of the ellipse where E less than 1. We are squaring on both sides, that is SP square is equal to E square PM square. SP square, so let Px comma y be any point on the ellipse. SP square means that is x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. E square, that is 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. PM square, this is x plus 6 by root 1 square whole square, that is equal to x square plus 12x plus 36 by 4. So take cross multiplication, that is 4x square plus 4y square is equal to x square plus 12x plus 36. So from this x square cancelled, 3x square plus 4y square minus 12x minus 36 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle. The center of the ellipse, a 4x square plus 9y square minus 24x plus 32y minus 72 is equal to 0 is. To find the center of the ellipse, first remove the constant term in this. That is, take x terms only. That is 4x square minus 24x is equal to 0. And take y terms. That is 9y square plus 36y is equal to 0. Now take differentiation with respect to x. That is 4x square differentiation 8x minus 24 is equal to 0. From this x is equal to 3. And take differentiation with respect to y for this equation. 9y square differentiation. This is 18y plus 36y differentiation. 36 is equal to 0. From this y is equal to minus 2. Therefore center of the ellipse is equal to 3 comma minus 2. This is the answer. This is shortcut method only. First we take partial differentiation with respect to x for these equations and partial differentiation with respect to y. We get the center of the ellipse. The center of the ellipse, x plus y minus 3 whole square by 9 plus x minus y plus 1 whole square by 16 is equal to dash. So here is given the center, find the center of the ellipse. That is given, that is x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the first equation, major axis, and x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the minor axis. Here a square is equal to 9, b square is equal to 16, a is 3, b is 4, a less than b ellipse. First equation is minor axis, major axis, and second equation is minor axis. Solving these two equations we get the center of the ellipse. So add these two equations, that is 2x minus 2 is equal to 0, that is x is equal to 1. Substituting x is equal to 1 in first equation, 1 plus y minus 3 is equal to 0, y minus 2 is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. Therefore center is equal to 1 comma 2. The vertex of the ellipse, 4x square plus 9y square minus 24x plus 36y minus 72 is equal to 0 is. Here a square is equal to and b square is equal to. A square is y square coefficient, that is 9, and b square is x square coefficient, that is 4. Here a greater than b ellipse. We know that vertex is equal to h plus r minus a comma k. This is the formula. First we find the center for this ellipse. That is, write down only x terms and remove the constant term, that is 4x square minus 24x is equal to 0. Take differentiation, that is 8x minus 24 is equal to 0, x is equal to 3. And write down only y terms, that is 9y square plus 36y is equal to 0. So take differentiation with respect to y. This is 18y plus 36 is equal to 0. So from this y is equal to minus 2. So here h comma k is equal to 3 comma minus 2. This is the center of the ellipse. Now a, we know that the a value is 3. That is a square is equal to 9, a is equal to 3. Substituting in this vertex formula, that is h plus r minus a. 3 plus r minus 3 comma k minus 2. That is 6 comma minus 2 comma 0 comma minus 2. These are the vertex of the given ellipse. The foci of the ellipse, 9x square plus 25y square plus minus 36x plus 50y minus 164 is equal to 0 is dash. Here is x square coefficient value is b square, that is 9. A square is y square coefficient is 25. This is a greater than b ellipse. So foci formula, the formula for foci is h plus r minus a e comma k. So first we find eccentricity. So eccentricity E is equal to, we know that is a square minus b square by a square. Here a square is, that is 25 minus 9 by 25 root over 16 by 25. Eccentricity E is equal to 4 by 5. And now we find h comma k. H comma k is the center of the ellipse. So remove the constant term. and write down only x terms, that is 9x square minus 36x is equal to 0. Take differentiation with respect to x, that is 18x minus 36 is equal to 0 from this x is equal to 2, and write down only y terms, that is 25y square plus 50y is equal to 0. Take differentiation with respect to y, that is 50y plus 50 is equal to 0 from this y is equal to minus 1. Therefore, center h comma k is equal to 2 comma minus 1. Substituting all these in foci s, that is s is h 2 plus or minus a, that is 5 into e 4 by 5 comma k minus 1, 5 cancel. So s is 2 plus or minus 4 comma minus 1, that is 6 comma minus 1, 1 foci, and minus 2 comma minus 1 is the second foci. This is s, this is s dash. The eccentricity of the ellipse whose latus rectum is equal to half of its minor axis. Here is given length of latus rectum is equal to half of its minor axis. Length of minor axis, that is length of the latus rectum. We know that 2b square by a is equal to half into minor axis, that is 2a. Here 2 cancel. 2b square is equal to a square. 2 into b square, we know that b square value is a square into 1 minus e square is equal to a square. A square cancel. From this 1 minus e square is equal to 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to e square. So e square is equal to 1 by 2, e is equal to 1 by root 2. This is the eccentricity of the ellipse. The major axis of an ellipse is 3 times the minor axis, that is major axis, that is length of major axis is 3 times the minor axis. Major axis is 2a, that is equal to 3 times of 2b. Both sides 2 cancel, a is equal to 3b. Squaring on both sides, a square is equal to 9b square. We know that a square is equal to 9 into b square value, that is a square into 1 minus e square. A square cancel. From this 1 by 9 is equal to 1 minus e square. E square is equal to 1 minus 1 by 9, that is equal to 8 by 9. E is equal to 2 root 2 by 3. This is the value of E. The equation x square by 2 minus r plus y square by r minus 5 plus 1 is equal to 0 represents an ellipse if dash. Here is given ellipse is, that is x square by 2 minus r plus y square by r minus 5 is equal to minus 1. Multiplying by minus, that is x square by, take minus in this, that is r minus 2 plus y square by, this is 5 minus r is equal to 1. From this here r minus 2 value greater than 0 and 5 minus r greater than 0 to represent an ellipse. These two are both greater than 0. R minus 2 greater than 0 means r greater than 2. From this 2 less than r, and 5 greater than r. From this 5 minus r greater than 0. From this r greater than 2 and r less than 5. So from these two equations, 2 less than, r less than 5. If P is a point on the ellipse, 9x square plus 36y square is equal to 324, whose foci are S and S dash, then the value of SP plus S dash P is equal to dash. So here is given ellipse is 9x square plus 36y square is equal to 324. Now converting into standard form, that is 9x square by 324. 36y square by 324 is equal to 1. Here 9 36 times cancel and 36 9 times cancel. This is x square by 36 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. Here a square is equal to 36, a is equal to 6 and b square is equal to 9, b is equal to 3. This is a greater than b ellipse. We know that the formula, that is sp plus s dash p is equal to 2a, a greater than b ellipse, and sp plus s dash p is equal to 2b for a less than b ellipse. This is a greater than b ellipse, therefore sp plus s dash p is equal to 2a, that is 2 into a value is 6, that is equal to 12. That is the required answer. The equation of the conic with focus at 1 comma minus 1 and directrix along the line x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 and eccentricity e is equal to root 2 is dash. We know that the definition of the conic, that is sp is equal to epm, squaring on both sides, sp square is equal to e square pm square. Let p x comma y be any point on the conic. Sp square, distance between 2 points, that is x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square is equal to e square. Root 2 whole square is 2 pm square, perpendicular distance from p to the given directrix, that is x minus y plus 1 by root over 1 square plus 1 square whole square, that is equal to x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square plus 2y plus 1 is equal to, here 2 root 2 whole square, these two are cancelled. This is a minus b plus c whole square, x square plus y square plus 1 minus 2xy plus 2x minus 2y. Both sides x square cancelled and y square also cancelled and minus 2y. So from this 1 also cancelled. So this is minus 2x, take this side, this is minus 2xy, take this side, this is 2xy, minus 2x minus 2x, this is minus 4x, 2y plus 2y, this is 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the conic.